Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Against the Odds, a place where resilience, creativity, and the love for food takes center stage. I'm your host Brian, a self-taught cook, cancer survivor, and someone who's learned a thing or two on how to overcome challenges both in life and here in the kitchen. This channel is more than a collection of recipes. It is a testament to the power and determination and adaptability. After surviving cancer and living with a disability that limits the use of my one arm, I have learned that obstacles don't define us, they push us to grow. My mission here is to inspire others like yourself, showing that no matter the circumstance, you can pursue your passion for cooking and create incredible meals. So here you'll find delicious recipes, practical tips, and clever adaptations that make cooking accessible to all. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's something here for you. So grab your apron, sharpen your knives carefully and with adult supervision, and join me in proving that nothing can stop us from cooking up amazing dishes. On today's episode, I am joined here today with one of my good friends who will be assisting me today, Jen. And today we're going to be making Disney's Ratatouille. So let's go ahead and hop in it. All right, so first let's chop up the onion that we need. We need 1/2 onion.
Other than the 1/2 onion chopped, you'll also need 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1/4 cup minced garlic, 3/4 cup water, 4 tablespoons of olive oil divided, so 2 tablespoons per ramekin. You'll also need to salt and use ground pepper to taste. If you don't have ground pepper, normal pepper is fine. You also need 1 small eggplant trimmed and very thinly sliced. You also need 1 zucchini, 1 yellow squash also trimmed and very thinly sliced. And then you'll also need 1 red bell pepper and 1 yellow bell pepper also cored and very thinly sliced. You also need 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme leaves and 3 tablespoons of ma, mascarpone. Man, I cannot say that. Mascarpone cheese. But that doesn't come until later in the recipe when you're plating. Okay, now that everything's been cut up, let's go ahead and assemble. First off, let's spread the can of tomato paste in a 10-inch square baking dish. Let's go ahead and speed up this process a little bit, shall we? So now we're going to add in the garlic, onion, and water. I forgot to add in the water in this video, but make sure you add it in right here before you put everything else in. Mix it thoroughly as well. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper and 1 tablespoon of olive oil until thoroughly combined. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the eggplant, zucchini, yellow squash, and bell peppers and start at the outer edge of the dish and work towards the center, overlapping the slices so it shows a little bit of the colors. And then after it's all been done, you're going to sprinkle the top with the last remaining olive oil, season it with salt and pepper again, and sprinkle it with the thyme leaves. Now that we have everything, we want to cover it with parchment paper. That way the oven won't burn it. And then you're going to want to bake it for 45 minutes in the oven at a temperature of 375 degrees.
Alrighty. Move this out of the way. And let's reveal look at that. Now that looks good. All right.